Hey guys, grab a glass and sit with me because tonight we're talking science, but the fun kind. And yes, mushrooms are involved. Most people don't realize this, but mushrooms aren't plants. They actually belong to their own biological kingdom entirely called fungi. And they work very differently from anything in the plant world. Plants use sunlight for energy. Mushrooms don't. They break down organic matter in their environment, which forces them to develop really unique protective compounds, which is exactly why they're so interesting for skincare. Another thing most people don't realize is that genetically, mushrooms are actually closer to humans than they are to plants. We share similar respiratory patterns, for example. We both breathe in oxygen and release carbon dioxide, unlike plants, which take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Also similar to us, their cell walls contain chitin, which is also found in our own skin and hair. So our bodies recognize their chemistry really well, like almost intuitively. And in nature, mushrooms constantly interact with bacteria, viruses, trees, soil, leaves, everything. They're always adapting to stress, and that evolutionary pressure is actually how penicillin was discovered. A fungus created it, the antibiotic, naturally to fight off bacteria. So when people talk about mushrooms being powerful, it's biology. And they've had to build these compounds to survive, and those same compounds happen to support our skin incredibly well. Here are a few of the key ones. Beta glucans. These are natural polysaccharides that help mushrooms retain moisture. On the skin, they hydrate deeply. They strengthen the barrier and calm irritation. They're amazing for sensitive or reactive skin. Then we have triterpenes. Reishi is full of these, and they help soothe the skin, reduce inflammation, balance oil, the sebum, and support recovery. Reishi is known for helping the skin look more even and less reactive. Then we have polyphenols from chaga. And chaga is loaded with antioxidants that help protect the skin from stressors like UV and pollution. Think of chaga as like an environmental shield. Then we have tremella, or the snow mushroom. And this has been used in beauty rituals for centuries. Its polysaccharides hold a lot of water and help the skin stay hydrated and plump for longer than any traditional humectants. Then we have ergothioneine. This is one of the most fascinating mushroom compounds that I've come across to date. It's a rare antioxidant, and our cells have dedicated transporters made specifically to absorb it, but our skin doesn't produce it naturally. It helps protect collagen, support the skin's energy systems, and reduces oxidative stress at the cellular level. So when I say mushrooms support the skin, it's literally the chemistry they've developed to survive harsh environments. And our skin benefits directly from that. And this is exactly what I'm building Lumera Morel around. I'm working with formulators who specialize in bioadaptive, biocompatible ingredients. People who understand how to work with natural actives without stripping away what makes them effective. We use wild forage mushrooms whenever possible because they've endured real environmental stress, which often means stronger chemistry. If you want a deeper video breaking down each mushroom, like reishi, chaga, morel, turkey tail, let me know in the comments. And if you'd like to join the waitlist for our first small batch launch in early 2026, you can sign up at lumeramorel.com. Cheers!